to start with this exercise. So, do you see how many notes going up in one direction?
Oh, 4.
Are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So, did we talk about that? It's called pentascale. So when you have 5 notes going up, so it's just actually this is what you do when you're warming up. And yes, this is the chord, but this is actually pentascale going up and going down. So I would like to do pentascales with you today, and also let's see. What is the difference between articulation, this first 2 measures, and these 2 measures?
Oh, the first 2 were staccato.
Yeah.
So they're short. And then the last 2 are...
Do you remember that? Legato. Yeah. So that's connected, right?
Yes.
So let's do just only your right hand. So your fingers will start on C from 1 to 5. Yeah. And it will be staccato. So can you try? So what you do more non-legato. So it's another one term. But here actually it's staccato and it's gently. Kind of like, let's try to do that on a lead first. So this is kind of like imagine how when you play the ball and it jumps off the floor, kind of that motion. Can you try that? Just, yeah. Okay, imagine that you're touching super hot surface, and if you touch it longer than you need to touch, you will actually burn your fingers, so you can't touch it too long, right? So just, yeah. Yeah. So can you do all your fingers? So let's do just one. No, you do just like hot, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yes, and do the same thing with your left hand with 5. Start with 5. 5. Yeah. So you can imagine anything. Either it's like a ball jumping. I have a ball, but it's not, doesn't have enough air in it. So I can bring it just to give you the feeling about it. So don't try to be super gentle. Actually, it's not about being gentle. Wow. Yeah. It's pretty flat. So, kind of like, try that. Take the ball and throw it on the floor. Yes, and if you throw harder, maybe it will jump a little bit more. Yes, kind of, yes, the same thing with your finger. So, this is exactly the same. Don't try to be too nice, like staccato. Yeah, try. So it's the same feeling. You can put the ball on the floor. Yeah. Okay. Did you throw your ball like that? Or actually, to make it jump. Can you try that? Yes. And piano will not fall apart if you do that harder. It will survive. Yes, do more. Yeah, okay. And your left hand. 5. Good. So let's try that with your right hand from C to G. Now we'll play here with you, okay? Ready? And yeah. Okay, good. And let's do feeling, okay? And actually, when I'm playing this note, I'm relaxing my hand. Do you remember? Still, right? So now, yeah, okay, together. And your left hand, the same thing. Energy. And again. So you have the pretty long nail. Are you doing that for some reason?
No,
or?
I haven't clipped.
Okay, so if you clip it, it will be much easier because otherwise you can just break it. That will be not enjoyable. Yeah. Okay, can you do both hands at the same time? Yes? Yeah, good. And going down? Yeah, do that a few times, maybe 5 times. Let's do that 5 times. Okay, whenever you're ready. You can go slower. So you need to be gently, like a spring, like your finger is actually spring, like, yeah. No, this way you actually will burn your fingertips, like you're trying to burn them. Okay, fingers, right? 5, yeah. Okay, again. And okay, let's do slower. And okay, so now the next 2 measures you actually have legato. And also, do you remember what is this? Forte. Yes, so when you play staccato, you play loud, happy, right? And piano will be soft. Okay, can you play pentascale just with your right hand? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do it with your own tempo. Okay, good. And your left hand. Yeah, just try to make it connected. Like you're singing a song. Okay, good. Perfect. Try both hands at the same time. And think about, like we were talking about, like your pet, something fluffy animal, right? So push like that, so you got it right without any pushing. That was for staccato. Yeah, you overshoot your finger a little bit. Yeah, okay, again. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now, do you remember what this means? Repeat. So 2 times. You play 2 bars from the beginning, staccato, then and loud, then legato, soft, and then repeat. So 2 times this line, okay? and you need to be steady tempo. Okay, so I will just give you tempo. 3, 4, so it's a little bit slower. 2, ready, go. Talk about what do you think? What happened here? Why did you have some problems at the end, right here? Just do you remember what happened?
I skipped one of my fingers.
Which hand?
Left hand.
Left hand, and which finger was that?
4.
4. So next time when you play that, think about your finger 4 when you go down,
Yes,
right? Okay, good. So let's do that from the beginning. Again, second time. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. And legato. This is already legato. Yeah. Yes, again, from here. So you play staccato on D, but when you land on C, here you already start playing legato and piano. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Don't rush. Good. And again, staccato and down. Okay, so I'm sorry. I messed you up. It's my fault. Yes, you land and yes. Oh no, you did so good. Okay, that's fine. So let's look at the next exercise. It's similar, but you just go down instead of going up, and you start on G, both your hands. So can we do that? Yes. So the same idea. Everything is the same. You just go in a different direction. Yeah? Okay, so the tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. And legato. From G, legato. And again, staccato. From G, yeah, okay. 2, ready, go. Don't rush. And legato. Okay, yeah, and yeah, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so that will be your exercise. Work on that. Okay, and okay, this is another one. It's a good one, actually, for your warming ups when you're sitting. It's a good one. So let's do with your right hand, and we already talked about chords, right? So it's legato, but you play fingers 1, 3, and 5. Do you know why? The fingers. Why is it 1, 3? Why is it not 1, 2?
They're skipping.
Yes, exactly. Okay, perfect. So what I want, so like we did before. Do you remember with balloon, right? So we have 2, lift, and then from C we start on the next key. So it's the same. Yeah. Okay. Let's start with C together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, lift. Good. to see it. Good, perfect. So, your left hand starts on C and you go. The same thing, just going down. So, the same idea. And ready? Lift. Try do not lift your pinky. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Again. Yes. So do this exercises as well. Yes. Okay. So how is your pieces going? How's your etudes? Do you want to play? So, what I would like to have more stable pulse. And so, why it becomes not stable? Why do you think? Sometimes. Is the tempo comfortable for you, or it feels a little bit quick sometimes? Maybe not everywhere, but sometimes. Does it feel like that?
Yes.
So, if it feels like that, do you know where it feels like that? Spots, certain spots.
I think in the fifth measure.
Yeah. Okay, so what we can do to fix it? Do you know? So if we take a little bit slower tempo at the beginning, so that way you have more time at the end. So maybe that will be easier a little bit, right? So maybe, and also when you play these thirds, it's more important actually when you have time to lift your hand and actually relax your muscle instead of oh, I need to find all those thirds, right? So kind of yes. If you have time for this is a good tempo. You don't need to play much faster, like that. 3, 4, 2, 4. You have rest, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. What about the second one? How is it going?
I'm not as
confident. right? Okay, so can you do a little bit, or how much can you do? Or you haven't started that yet?
I've looked at it a little bit. I'm just not as confident with my right hand.
Okay, so let's look at your left hand. Okay. So the same thing, you can go slower. Right? This motion. Yeah, with this part of your arm. Yes, exactly. Yes, very good. Yes, so actually think about your shoulder, and when you lift your shoulder, the whole your arm actually is already doing exactly what it needs to do.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Yes, very good. 2, 3, 4. So, Ella, you're learning really quick and trying to play from memory. What you need to do, look at the score, right? So, you played 4 measures, and now you're in the measure 5. So let's look at the measure 5. 2, 3, 4. Measure 6, you go back. 2, 3, 4. And next up. What is this? In the and? A fifth. You know this note already. So that one of your landmarks, right? So which note is it? The bottom one?
C.
C and G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. Yes, that's it. So can we do again? You will play left hand, and I will play right hand with you. Okay? So just a second. Okay. Ready? Okay, so 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, very good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Look. Oh, sorry. That was me again. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah, okay. Can we do that again? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 4. So actually, I forgot to translate you what it says on the top here. So the name is Etude. We talked about that, but actually it says right here. It is slowly tempo and smooth. So I'll just slowly. Yeah. So don't try to play that too quick. Here, the most important part is that you actually control your muscle. Right. Okay. Can you do the right hand? So the bottom voice will be the same like you did in the left hand before, right? So you have G on the bottom with your thumb, right? This is a sixth. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and then So which voice stays the same? The top one. Yeah. So moves up a half step. So G sharp to the left hand. Left hand. The bottom voice. Yeah. No. If it goes, is it sharp? It goes to the right or to the left?
To the right.
To the right. So it will be yes. Okay. And another half step. Yes. And then skip to F sharp. No. So skip this voice, right? So you had this, the fifth. You just played that, right? And then skip it to F sharp. Yeah. And then go to again, like at the beginning. So can we do this 5 measures again? 1, 2, ready, go. This is the first one. 2, 3, 4. G sharp, yes. 3, 4, A. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, and G. That's it. Okay, so after this, look, what stays the same? The bottom. So that will be G stays the same, right? So you had this interval. So play that again. 6th. Yeah. 3, 4. Now you have 4th from G. Okay, and now move your bottom voice down and keep the top voice. So that will be 5 on the top. That will be the same voice but different finger. So 5. And you have, what is the note right here? E. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. So can we go from here? So last 4 measures. Okay, so you have G and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a 4th. Keep the bottom voice. You already moved too far, so keep the G to the next. 3, 4, and then you have E and C. And again. Yeah. So I will do left hand, and you do the right hand. Okay. Okay. Ready? So G on the bottom. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. F sharp. Yes, very good. And like from the beginning. 2, 3, 4. G on the bottom. 2, 3, 4, and you have E and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. Okay, so keep working on that. Yeah. And can you make it at home, both hands together, right? Okay, so how is going on your song what you played before? This one, good listening.
It's good. I looked at a couple of the measures on the other page also.
Yeah.
These two.
Can you play some of it? So, okay. Okay. So this is kind of the same, right? I thought you're playing from the beginning. Can you start from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One. Whenever you're ready. Okay. So let's look how our right hand moves here. So you play this 3 notes correct, and then
You step up.
Step up. Just step. Can you play just right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you learned wrong note. Yeah, so try to do E instead of F.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes. That's it. So can you play again the right hand from the beginning and I play left for you, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. Can you do that both hands yourself?
Yes. From the beginning.
From the beginning, yeah. Look, so these notes are the same as this. So you have this position before, right? So then you have F, here, 2 right here. So don't leave this position, you just keep it. And you have 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So just keep this position. Did you practice hands separate, or you practice always both hands at the same time?
I practice both hands at the same time.
So try to practice separate hands, and that actually will help you so much. Always, really, yeah. It's the same, like in the choir, we take some sectionals and we're learning parts separately. Here, no different.
Yes,
yeah. Okay, can you play just left hand from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, and another thing is we don't have legato, and we need to play this actually detached, right? So don't connect, and it's a little bit challenging when you have legato in your right hand, but left hand actually goes detached. Yeah, okay, so 2, 3, 4, yes, so this is how it's supposed to be. Try that, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, yes, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Don't rush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry. Yes, your finger's already there. You're not late. Yes, so don't try to play faster. Okay, that's a little bit better. So practice separately. Make sure that you have detached left hand when you play right hand, and try to keep steady beat. So if it's hard, what we're doing, we're playing it faster or slower? Slower, right. So you don't want to play too fast if it's too hard, right? And I think in this piece, it's the hardest spots. And then it's just what we have the next measure. I think it's pretty easy. You can actually continue 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, you have this really good words, playing short notes quietly, right? So short notes quietly takes control. So actually very good words. Yes, so can you continue these lines? Can you play that left hand from here? So this is D. And D, you can remember, it's in the middle of the staff for bass clef. Yeah. So we're just stepping here, right? Going 3 notes up. Okay, we're going, how many notes going up? 3. How many going down? 2. So it's kind of, if you count this F, 3, and then going up 3, actually more, 4, and this is, what is this? If you block it together, it's a chord, C major chord. We already, it's just a melody based on this major C major chord. Okay, let's do that again from measure 9. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's look at the right hand, what we have here. We start on your 2 and on D. So comparing to the left hand, your melody actually goes a little bit more notes up. Yes, ma'am. 4 notes, right? Can you do that? And then right hand, what is the note? G clef. G. G, and then you have G with your left hand. No, you have first 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a slur between your hands, right? And then you have G, F, E, D. Okay, and now look, you know this music already. Yes, ma'am. And this is exactly like this. Yes, ma'am. And this is exactly like this. Yes, ma'am. And this is exactly like this, just here you have a different, so you have G, C, and here you have just a 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, just at the end. Yes, so, you know the whole piece already, even you didn't realize that, right? Yes, so, can you spend some time with it so we can record? I will need recording. That will be a week of November 11th, I think, something like that. So we probably need to record Friday before that week. That will be in 2 weeks, I guess. So yeah, can you spend some time? Yeah. Okay. So I'll stop video. But I think we're managing that.